Hi guys! Welcome to another video. Today, October 14, 2022, iPhone 14 is officially released here in the Philippines. Come and join me in unboxing and doing a quick review of this device. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. As usual, the box really feels like premium, and the design at the front has a little elevation. And this is the side, the bottom, and the top. Let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the device itself. What I have here is the deep purple. And same as last year, we don't have any power adapter, but we only have the charging cable. And as well as some manual and stickers. What I have here is the 256GB version of iPhone 14 Pro Max. You will notice that the notch is gone now and they changed it to pill-shaped design. This is also where the dynamic island will animate. All of the iPhone Pro Max still has the stainless steel frame, which is really a fingerprint magnet. And at this side, we still have the silent switch, volume control, and here in the Philippines, we still have the SIM card tray. The other side, we still have here the power button, and at the bottom, we have the charging port, microphone, and speaker. And at the back, you will see the beautiful deep purple color. Next, for the spec, it has IP68 water and dust resistant. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass with ceramic shield. The display size is 6.7 inches with Super Retina XDR OLED and 120Hz refresh rate. The brightness can now go up to 2000 nits, which is very useful if you will use it under direct sunlight. The resolution is 1290 by 2796 with 460 ppi density. And what's new here is, as you can see, the always-on display, which run the display at 1 Hz to save battery life. And as I mentioned, the notch is gone now and they changed it to pill-shaped design that act as the dynamic island. Dynamic island is the UI interface made by Apple to make use of the pill-shaped cutout here. We also have now the new 4nm A16 Bionic chipset with 5-core GPU. The RAM is 6GB and we have 128, 256, 512, and 1TB of SSD storage options. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixel and now it has autofocus. At the back, we have here the 3-camera system, and first ever on an iPhone, the main camera is now 48 megapixel. It can shoot up to 8K if Apple will enable it in the future. We also have 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and also 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens that we can also use for macro shot. The maximum video resolution at the moment is 4K 60fps, and it also supports ProRes and cinematic mode. And we also have here the LIDAR scanner. For the battery, it has 4323 milliamperes. It can easily last the whole day. And it also supports fast charging, and it can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. There you go, guys. That's the best of iPhone can offer as of the moment. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. And see you in the next one.